Hello, today I like to share with you how to make vegetables curry. It's easy to make and delicious. Let's get started. The ingredients we need are carrots, eggplants, zucchini or courgette, green beans, mushroom, broccoli, red pepper, cauliflower, bok choy, tempeh or fermented soybean, tofu. We cut and fry into bite size, lime leaf, curry leaves, palm sugar, salt to taste, coconut cream or coconut milk, some vegetable oil or cooking oil, and water. Also, we need curry paste. Let's prepare the curry paste. The ingredients we need are shallots. If we don't have shallots, we can use red onions, garlic, candlenuts, dry chili, fresh chili, galangal, we only use to slice, lemongrass, turmeric, ginger, garam masala, and curry powder. These all ingredients we have to blend into fine paste. Put all ingredients and add some water. Blend into fine paste. Let's get cooking. Heat the frying pan over medium heat. Add the vegetable oils or cooking oils. Add the curry paste. Stir. For 3 to 4 minutes until the curry paste is fragrant. Add some salt, curry leaves, lime leaves, carrots, tempeh, tofu, and stir. Cook for a few minutes. Add some water. Cook until the vegetables is tender. After a few minutes and the carrots tender, we can put all the rest of the vegetables. Yeah?
This is
Mau dihop mana? Mau dihop mana?
yes.
Okay, so we can put the eggplants. Be careful. Be careful. Yeah. Eggplant, mushrooms. My granddaughter says, "Help me." Adeline says, "Help me." She's a good girl. Okay, you good girl? Yeah. You cook vegetable curry.
Curry?
Yeah, curry. You like it?
Yes, curry.
Yeah. You like curry? Okay. Good girl. Mm.
I like curry.
You like curry?
I like curry.
Wow, you like curry. Okay.
What's that?
Oh, hot. Be careful. It's hot. Okay. All right. Okay, we stir. We stir. Be careful. It's hot. Yeah, got it. You good girl?
Yes.
Okay. You want to help Nana?
Yes.
Look, it's beautiful. We
Okay.
cook all the vegetables until tender and cook. Yeah. Okay. Cook until tender, and we can put the lid on. Okay. To cook. After a few minutes, all the vegetable tender, we can put brown sugar.
sugar.
Yeah, brown
I love
sugar.
sugar. I got other sugar.
Yeah, okay. You cook.
Let's cook it.
Yeah, and then you can put
The water and
no, it's
milk.
not water. This
Milk.
is coconut cream.
Cream.
Coconut cream, not water. Coconut cream is nice. Okay. You like curry?
I curry.
Okay. Adelaine's like curry, yeah?
No, I just like cream.
Yeah, we add some coconut cream.
Wow.
Wow, it's nice.
I like
It's nearly ready.
I'm ready.
You like to try?
No,
No?
I like cream.
You like creams?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I like cream.
Okay. You like milk too?
Yeah.
Okay. You're a good girl? You're a good girl? Adeline's a good girl? Yeah,
Yeah.
of course. Yeah, of course. You want to help Nana cooking?
Well,
Hello, Talia.
yeah.
This is my another granddaughter, Talia. Hello. Are you a good girl? You like curry? I think my vegetable curry is ready. You like vegetable curry?
No,
Oh.
that's cream.
My vegetable curry is ready. Let me try.
You try.
Yes, very nice, Adeline.
That's a juice.
Yes, delicious.
I like it.
You like? Oh, good
I
girl.
like juice.
You like? You like vegetable curry with tofu?
I like juice.
You like vegetables?
Yeah.
Okay, you can have some. Vegetable curry ready to serve. Hi, Steph. You like your vegetable curry?
I love my vegetable curry. It's very delicious with tempeh in it.
Yeah? And tofu? That's your favorite.
I love it. As a vegetarian, Thank you, Mama, for my vegetable curry.
Enjoy your vegetable curry.
It smells delicious.